This is a beautiful kitchen in Tiburon done by the interior designer Michelle Squire. She designed the hood assembly hanging off the ceiling here. That's a flush Zephyr fan. Notice the waterfall feature on the countertop. Beautiful lines and lighting. There's uplighting up in that top assembly as well. Notice the lit top assembly in these cabinets. There's a glass floating shelf. Beautiful tile that accentuates the countertops. That's a prep sink there for prepping in front of the stove. Excellent design feature. Obviously under counter lights everywhere. Notice that island. Those are pop-up plugs in there that have USB ports and chargers. Big, beautiful island. Quite comfortable. Full countertop backsplash on the other side instead of tile on the left and countertop material on the right. And then obviously the view out from the main sink is of the bay. Another sink there. Very functional kitchen. These are Henry built cabinets, by the way. Not a huge fan of Henry built for the price. They're very expensive, but they are really, really well made cabinets. We also did an outdoor kitchen for the clients. Notice the tiles. This is why you hire designers. Michelle sourced these tiles. I think they really kind of pop for this area. Same countertop material as outside as inside.